Okay, so at the end of this video, you should be able to explain matter, describe the nature and states of matter, outline the characteristics of the states of matter, demonstrate how matter is changed from one state to another, and then last but not the least, distinguish between plant and animal cells. So let's start with matter. So when you look around, you can find a lot of things such as shoes, books, stones, water and trees, a lot. So all these things have mass and what? And occupy space or have volume. So now, everything around us, including those we cannot see but we can feel them, are all matter. So just reach out and touch the nearest piece of furniture. So that is matter too. So the clothes you are wearing, the hair on your head, and the air you are breathing are called matter. So then what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies or takes up what? Space. Matter can also be defined as anything that has mass and what? And volume too. Okay. So now let's come to the nature of matter. Matter consists of tiny particles called atoms, molecules, or ions. So these particles are so small that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. So now let's define atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in what? In a chemical reaction. For example, magnesium atom, silver atom, sodium atom, and iron atom. So molecule consists of two or more atoms that are chemically combined. Okay, molecules can exist as separate particles. It is the smallest stable particle of an element or a compound that exists by itself. So atoms that form a molecule may be of the same element or of different elements. For example, a molecule of oxygen gas is O2. Consists of atoms of the same element but what? But a molecule of water, which is H2O, consists of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of what? Oxygen. So let's look at types of molecules. We have monoatomic, diatomic, and triatomic. A molecule is said to be a monoatomic when it contains one atom. For example, the helium, we have it on the board, He, the neon, Ne, and then sodium, Na, and then the rest. They are the monoatomic because they contain only one atom. And then a molecule is said to be a diatomic when it contains two atoms: oxygen gas, O2, nitrogen gas, N2, and iodine gas, I2. This one, chlorine gas 2, is an example of a diatomic. They contain two atoms. A molecule is said to be triatomic when it contains three atoms, and a typical example is the ozone. So ozone is what? O3. Ion is an atom that has gained or lost electron or electrons. So when a group of atoms exist together and carries a net positive or a net negative charge, we can also call it on what? An ion. An ion is therefore a charged atom or a group of atoms that exist together as a charged unit. For example, calcium ion, Ca2 plus, is a charged particle. Lithium, Li plus, is lithium ion. Carbonate ion, CO3, 2 minus, and then Cl minus is chloride ion, and we have H2 minus is sulfide ion. So now let's go to the state of matter. So observe the different types of matter around you. We can see that matter around us exists in different states. So what are the different states of matter. Matter exists in what? 3 states. So the 3 states are solid, liquid, gas. So let's look at these are solid, liquid, gas, right? Examples of solids include table, spoon, chair, stone, pen, and eraser. And examples of liquids include water, soap, kerosene, petrol, and cooking oil. Examples of gas include oxygen, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. So each state of matter has its own physical characteristics. So the states of matter arise due to the differences in the characteristics of the particles of matter. So let us study the characteristics of the 3 states of matter in detail. So we are come to study the characteristics of solid, characteristics of liquid, and characteristics of gas.